What if I told you there is a motorhome that costs over $2.2 million, and it doesn't just compete with luxury homes, it might actually be better than most of them? This isn't just an RV. This is something completely different. And once you step inside, you may never look at motorhomes the same way again. Welcome back. Today, you're about to go inside one of the most advanced, most luxurious, and honestly, most unbelievable motorhomes ever built. The 2026 Loki H3-45. Built for people who don't just travel, but expect absolute perfection wherever they go. And trust me, this is not what you think a motorhome looks like. So stay with me, because this gets insane. At first glance, it doesn't scream for attention. There are no flashy colors, no over-the-top designs, just a clean, sleek, almost mysterious exterior. But that's the point, because this motorhome isn't trying to impress everyone. It's built for people who already have everything. And when something costs over $2 million, you don't need to show off. You just need to be perfect. Standing next to it, you immediately feel how massive it really is. Built on the legendary H3-45 platform, this thing is more like a luxury bus than an RV. It's long, it's tall, and it has a presence that's impossible to ignore. But what's crazy is, despite its size, it moves with surprising elegance, almost like a private jet, just on wheels. Now here's the moment that changes everything. The door opens, and instantly you forget you're stepping into a vehicle. Because this doesn't feel like an RV, it feels like stepping into a modern luxury apartment. Soft lighting, clean lines, perfect design. Everything feels intentional, nothing feels rushed. And that's when it hits you. This isn't about travel. This is about living without limits. The living space is where things really start to get serious. Massive slide-outs expand the interior, creating a space that feels open, calm, and incredibly comfortable. The seating is premium, not just in look, but in feel. You're not sitting on cushions, you're sinking into them. Across from you, a large display transforms the space into a private entertainment lounge. Movie nights, game nights, or just relaxing after a long day on the road. And the best part? Everything is controlled with a touch. Lighting, climate, shades, all of it. It's effortless. Then you move into the kitchen, and this is where things most motorhomes fall apart. But not this one. This is a real kitchen. Full-size appliances, premium finishes, stone countertops. Everything feels solid, like it belongs in a high-end home. You're not limited here. You can actually cook. You can actually live. And that's the difference. This isn't built for weekends. This is built for real life on the road. Now let's talk about where you end your day, the bedroom. And this is where things get personal. Because after all the luxury, all the technology, this is where comfort truly matters. A full-size bed sits perfectly centered. Soft lighting surrounds the space, creating a calm, almost hotel-like atmosphere. It's quiet, really quiet, and that's intentional, because when you're traveling long distances, rest isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Right next to it, the bathroom continues that same level of detail. A full shower, premium fixtures, modern design. Nothing feels like it was fit into a vehicle. Everything feels like it was designed first and then placed perfectly into this space. It's not just functional, it's relaxing. And that's something most motorhomes never achieve. Now here's where things go from luxury to truly the next level. Because this motorhome isn't just about looks, it's built to be completely independent. Massive battery systems, advanced power management, off-grid capability. This thing can go places and stay there without needing anything. No hookups, no compromises, just freedom. And for a lot of people, That's the real luxury. What makes this motorhome different isn't just what it has, it's how it feels. Everything is minimal, clean, purposeful. There's no clutter, no wasted space. It's designed to reduce stress, not add to it. And in today's world, that might be the most valuable thing of all. But let's be real for a second. This level of luxury comes at a price, over $2.2 million. That's more than most homes, and definitely more than most people would ever spend on a vehicle. But this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, it's freedom, it's the ability to take your entire world and move it wherever you want. So now the question becomes, what is luxury really? Is it a house in one place, or is it the ability to go anywhere without giving anything up? Because this motorhome doesn't ask you to choose. It gives you both. So what do you think? Would you spend $2.2 million to live like this on the road? Or would you still choose a traditional home? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more insane luxury vehicles like this, make sure you subscribe, because this is just the beginning.